French replaced the popular Sultan of Morocco with an unpopular person. This ultimately worked against them and resulted in the end of French rule.
The French protectorate of Morocco seethes with unrest, and fanatic followers of deposed Sultan Ben Yusuf are searched for weapons as ceremonies for the installation of the new Sultan go forward. The crisis was brought about by a long-standing feud between the French, backed by Berber tribesmen, and the ousted spiritual leader, exiled to the island of Corsica. More than 2,000 Berbers from all parts of the country converge on Rabat for the event. The new Sultan, 64-year-old Sidi Ben Arafa, acknowledges the salutes and the plaudits of the faithful who have accepted him as their spiritual leader. Even as the elaborate ceremonies of installation are in progress, representatives of 15 Asian and African nations seek a hearing before the United Nations to obtain independence for Morocco. At the palace, French Governor General Guillaume presents the felicitations of his government to the new ruler. A crisis is averted, but it is an uneasy peace that descends on Morocco.